Hey everyone! Today we're going on a little jewelry adventure. As you can see, I've got a collection of old broken pieces that I just couldn't bear to throw away. Each one has a story, a memory attached to it. These were my go-to rings for years. I wore them everywhere, but sadly, it broke. Don't worry though, they're going to be the star of our show today. We're going to upcycle them and create a brand new pair of earrings. And who's with me? Look how cute, but is just there as my sweet companion. And look at these beauties. I remember buying them on a trip with my best friend. We both got matching pairs. Sadly, I lost one of them and the other one broke. But these gorgeous white beads are perfect for our project. I'm gonna combine them. So I got those strands to be the holder of the beads. I'm going to use 4 of these beads for each earring. I love the simplicity of them. I love the white color, so I thought this would be perfect. Remember this old necklace? It's been sitting in my jewelry box forever. I'm going to use the chain to add some extra length and movement to our earrings. So I cut them same size with the beads and the golden hook. And finally, the finishing touch. This golden ring from an old bracelet is going to bring it all together. And there you have it, a brand new pair of earrings born from old memories of a little bit of creativity. I absolutely love how they turned out. Wearing this feels amazing. It's like carrying a piece of my past with me, but in a new and beautiful way. And the best part, I made them myself. So next time you're about to throw away a piece of broken jewelry, think again. You might just be able to create something amazing. Happy crafting, everyone, and thanks for watching. I hope you've got an inspiration.